I found the best new AI tools of the year, like AI that generates as you draw, AI that makes any image come to life, and even AI that turns your voice into a musical instrument. It's mind-blowing what you can do with all this new AI, and at Everything AI, we're diving headfirst into these innovations with the passion of our soy latte-loving CEO. From tools that make your sketches look like a masterpiece to AI that animates your selfies, we're here to showcase it all. Let me blow your mind. First up is Leonardo.ai, one of the coolest tools we've discovered at Everything AI, even our soy-fueled CEO agrees. It makes generating artwork ridiculously simple. Head over to their site, click Launch App, and you're greeted with a canvas on the left where you can draw. Or at least attempt to. The best part? You don't have to be an artist. Whether you're sketching stick figures or abstract squiggles, the AI takes over. Just type what you'd like to see, say, a Victorian robot sipping tea in a treehouse, and watch as the AI brings it to life. You can pick from styles like cinematic, fantasy, or dynamic art. If it's not perfect, hit the Instant Refine button, and voila, it looks like something you'd see in a gallery. But what really blew our minds is the motion feature. Hover over your creation, choose Generate Motion Video, and adjust the strength. Seconds later, you've got a moving masterpiece. Our CEO calls this art for people who can't draw, which feels oddly personal. Next, let's talk about bringing photos to life with Runway ML. This tool is like magic in a box. After logging in with your Google account, you can use the Motion Brush tool to animate parts of any photo. Got a picture of your pet? Paint over it, tweak the sliders, and watch it move like it's alive. Our CEO tried it on a photo of his avocado toast, and honestly, we've never seen toast look so dynamic. It works beautifully with fire, water, and even selfies. Want to animate a landscape? Go wild. This tool makes anything come alive, and at Everything AI, we're calling it the ultimate lazy creator's dream. Now for something truly groundbreaking. Hey Gen, an app that translates your videos into other languages. Record yourself talking, upload the video, and choose a language like French or Mandarin. The AI dubs your voice seamlessly. Our CEO uses it to share his love of oat milk in Spanish, and let's just say his accent is now flawless. With over 29 languages supported, the possibilities are endless, whether you're connecting with a global audience or just flexing your polyglot skills. Speaking of flexing, Musicfy.lol is an app that takes your voice and turns it into musical instruments. Log in, choose an instrument like an electric guitar, and record yourself making ridiculous sounds. The AI remixes your voice into actual music. Our CEO tried it and ended up creating a full-on soy-themed symphony. You can layer bass, harmony, and chords until you have a track that sounds straight out of a recording studio, all without touching an instrument. Let's not forget 11 Labs, the tool that reinvents AI voices. Their speech-to-speech feature lets you record your voice and transform it into any of their pre-made options. Want to sound like a regal gentleman or a mischievous cartoon character? Done. Our CEO likes to switch between serious business mode and whispering philosopher, just to keep things interesting. For some quick fun, check out missgif.app. Upload a photo of yourself, or your soy-loving friends, pick a GIF, and let the AI do a face swap. The results? Hilarious and shockingly realistic. It's perfect for pranks or spicing up your group chats. And then there's ChatGPT's new feature that lets you create your own AI clone. At Everything AI, we've already made a clone of our CEO. It's trained to reply to emails, suggest oat milk recipes, and even sign off with "Stay plant powered." The more you teach it, the smarter it gets, kind of like a digital twin, but with fewer meetings. If interior design is your thing, RoomGPT.io can transform your room in seconds. Upload a photo, choose a style, like rustic or Victorian, and let the AI redesign your space. Our CEO tried it with his office, and now it looks like a minimalist cafe straight out of Brooklyn. Finally, ClipDrop.co lets you swap faces in images with incredible accuracy. Drag and drop a picture, select a face, and the AI seamlessly integrates it. We tested it with the Mona Lisa, and let's just say she now looks suspiciously like our CEO. At Everything AI, we're obsessed with pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From creating art and music to animating photos and translating languages, these tools are just the beginning. And if you're wondering how our soy-loving CEO keeps up with it all, the answer is simple: innovation and caffeine. Stay tuned for more AI tools that will blow your mind, and possibly your latte budget.